Hello students, let's welcome to learn maths concept. In this video we are going to discuss exercise 7C question number 18 class 8 maths. Exercise 7C. Let's start it. Question is, a man buy a plot of land at rupees 3,60,000. He sell 1/3 of the plot at a loss of 20%. Again, he sell 2/3 of the plot left at a profit of 25%. At what price should he sell the remaining plot in order to get profit of 10%? Okay. His desired profit is 10%, means he wants to sell total land at a profit of 10%, but already he sell 1/3 of plot at loss of 20% and two-third of the plot at a profit of 25%. Okay, let's see the solution. This is the solution of question number 18. Okay, by mistake it is written here 19. Total CP of land. It is given in the question 3,60,000. Okay, so you'll write it 3,60,000. Now his desirable profit is 10%. He wants to sell plot to get a profit of 10%. Okay, so total SP of the plot will be 3,60,000 into 110 upon 100, because we will apply the formula of SP here. As you know, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent upon 100. So 100 plus 10 here will be 110 upon 100. 20 will be cancel out. If you multiply it, 11 6 is 66, 11 3 is 33, and 6 will be 39. This will come 3,96,000. Means he wants to sell his plot at rupees 3,96,000. Okay, let's proceed. 1/3 of plot, cost price of 1/3 of the plot, 1/3 into 3,60,000. It will cancel in 12 time. 12 3 is 36, so it will come 1,20,000. And 1/3 of the plot he has sell at a loss of 20%. At a loss of 20%. Find the SP of 1/3 of the plot. So formula will be same here. CP into 100 minus loss upon 100. So 100 minus 20 will be 80. So it will be 80 upon 100. If we cancel it, 00 will be cancelled. So 12 8 is 96 and 30. So it will come 96,000. Now let's proceed. Remaining plot. Find the CP of remaining plot. Total CP is 3,60,000 minus CP of 1/3 of plot. Here we have find it 1,20,000. So minus 1,20,000. So it will come 2,40,000. Okay. So 2/3 of the remaining plot. 2/3 of the remaining plot. So 2,40,000 into 2/3. So it will come 1,60,000. 1,60,000. 2/3 of plot at a profit of 20%. He sell 2/3 of the plot left at a profit of 20%. It is given in the question. So profit 20%. So SP of 2/3 of the plot will be 1,60,000 into 100 plus profit. 100 plus 25, 125 upon 100. 00 will be cancelled. If you multiply, it will come 2 lakh. What will come? 2 lakh. Okay. So one third of plot he had sold at rupees 1,20,000 and 2/3 of the remaining plot he has sold at rupees of 2 lakh. Okay, so find the price of the remaining plot. His desirable selling price 3,96,000. He wants to sell the plots in 3,90,000. So 3,90,000 minus selling price of one third of plot is 96,000 and selling price of 2/3 of the remaining plot is 2 lakh. So 96,000 minus 2 lakh, the 96,000 minus 2 lakh. If you will add this will come 2,96,000. So 2,96,000 subtract from the total SP 3,96,000. So it will come 1 lakh. So answer of this question is 1 lakh. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay. So one more question is left in this exercise. So let's proceed in question number 19. This is our question number 19. Okay. See, the CP of two watches taken together is rupees 840. The cost price of two watches taken together is rupees 840. If by selling one at a profit of 16% and the other at a loss of 12%, there is no gain or loss. No gain or loss means कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस. जितना में खरीदे थे उतना में ही बेच दिए. देर इज नो गेन और लॉस इन द होल ट्रांजेक्शन. फाइंड द CP of each watches. Okay, so let's see the solution. Okay, this is 19. CP of both watches is given in the question 840 rupees. Okay, so case 1. In case 1, first watch, if by selling one at a profit of 16%, it is given in the question. So let the cost price of first watch be X and selling one at a profit of 16%. The profit is 16%. So calculate selling price. As we know, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit upon 100. So 100 plus 16 will be 116 upon 100. So it will be 116x upon 100. Okay, now second case is here. Case number 2. Then the other CP, two watches, कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 840. दो वॉच का टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस 840 से वी हैव सपोज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ फर्स्ट वॉच इज X. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सेकेंड वॉच विल बी 814 माइनस X. सेकेंड का 814 माइनस X हो जाएगा बिकॉज फर्स्ट वॉच का कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या है X रुपीज़. वी लेट इट. ओके, एंड this is sold at 12% loss. The loss is here 12%. So find SP. Same formula. Cost price into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So 100 minus 12 will be 88. And cost price is 840 minus 6 upon 100. Okay. So calculate it. If you calculate it, it will come. Let it as it is. Now see, in the question this is given no loss and no profit. Okay, means CP and SP will be equal. So I have written here SP is equal to CP. SP and CP will be equal. So SP of first watch is this 116 upon 100 plus SP of second watch is this 840 minus X into 88 upon 100. This is the selling price of both the watch. Okay, and this is the cost price of both the watch. The selling price of both watch will be equal to the cost price of both watch. We have to solve this only. Okay, so 100 will be here LCM. So 100 will go that side in RHS. So here 100 is in the multiplication, it will go in the RHS, it will be in multiplication, because sorry, here it is in division, so here into 100. Okay, 116x plus 814 minus x into 88 is equal to 840 into 100. Now see the calculation, 116x plus 840 into 88, because 88 will be multiplied in both, minus x into 88, 88x is equal to, as it is, 840 into 100. So 116x and minus 88x will be 28x, and this will be as it is. Then 28x is equal to 840 into 100 minus, this will be in plus here, if you transpose it side it will be in subtraction. So 840 into 100, this already is there, this will go in RHS, so it will be subtract, minus 840 into 88. Take the common 840, so it will be 100 minus x. Okay, 840 is common in both, so we will take the common it. Okay, so now 28x is equal to 840 into 100 minus 88 will be 12. Now 28 will be go in the division. Okay, if you cancel it by 28 and 840 will cancel in 3 times. Okay, 12 3 is 36, so it will come 360, means cost price of first watch will be 360 rupees, and CP of second watch will be what we have consumed, 840 minus x here, 840 minus x there. Okay, so 840 minus x, 840 minus x means 360, so it will come 480 rupees. The cost price of first watch will be 360 rupees and cost price of second watch will be 480 rupees. I hope it is clear to all of you.